Good afternoon, folks. I'm Jeff Shadone, the parts manager here at Harley-Davidson of Frederick, and I wanted to take a few moments to go over this 2018 Road Glide Special with you and show you what we've done to it. After 28 years, I can honestly say one of the most enjoyable things about our job here in the parts department is to fulfill dreams of personal freedom. Every once in a while, we also get to kind of do that for ourselves by taking one of our floor model bikes, dressing it up a little bit on what maybe we would like to do to a bike that we had. So one of the first things we wanted to do on this one is change up a set of handlebars, just so customers should come in, get a feel of different handlebars that are on bikes. On this particular build, I decided to use a flat black Todd Cycle strip handlebar. I chose the 12-inch, not knowing who might be purchasing this bike. I didn't want to go up too high, and I didn't want it too low. So I felt the 12-inch bars were a perfect complement for what Harley's already done with the bike. Typically, once we've done handlebars, obviously we'd like to change up some grips and stuff like that. Myself, I like subtle changes, nothing that really stands out too much. So I went ahead and did the Heavy Industrial Collection by Kuryakin, also in the satin black. And when we did that, we also matched floorboards, foot pegs, rear brake pedal pad, and shifter pegs and stuff like that. One of the things I noticed first that I really wasn't honestly expecting is how comfortable the grips actually are. Beyond that, I went ahead and also sticking with a couple Kuryakin parts. I wanted to do something, again, a little subtle, but we went ahead and did the mesh collection. Started off with the saddlebag hinges, got the matching timing cover on the other side, derby cover, fuel door. Because we went ahead and did the fuel door that you can see from the top of the bike, we went ahead and did both clutch and front brake master cylinder covers on that also. Heavy industrial mirrors on the mirror side. One of the last things we did with this, if you didn't take notice, is this one-off flag mount that our fellows over at HDFR Machine Shop make. It's a fully stainless steel, custom made by hand flag mount that will replace either your antenna side on the left, or you can go ahead and install it on the right side where you got the blank hole. We utilize a 13-inch Pro Pad pole and your choice of flags. So hopefully you like what we've done here. Again, I wanted to be subtle, not do too much of the things that I like, but just some subtle accessories to kind of accent what Harley-Davidson's already provided us on the 2018 Road Glide Special. If you have any questions, please contact myself, Jeff Shadone at Harley-Davidson of Frederick, on any customizations that you'd like to do to your bike. Again, we'd like to fulfill dreams of personal freedom. What we like to say here at HD of Frederick is Harley puts their name on the fuel tank. Anything and everything else you do to it says you